Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the NASDAQ 100. I've got the weekly chart up here. We can see after the last video, we were highlighting the support zone here at the old cloud chart support levels at the top end of the cloud. That support level came into play, as well as these lows there of March 2021. Last year's low levels came into play. Now we're not out the woods yet because price action below the cloud is bearish, so we have a little bit of a bear market rally here. Now the resistance targets to watch out for now is the bottom in the cloud here, this whole zone here at the bottom in the cloud here, 14,491, and then this 14,132, 13,792. These are all three different resistance zones for the NASDAQ to get through. We're not out the woods, like I say. Price action needs to be back above the cloud to be bullish on the weekly. We did have a MACD sell up here, as well as a Ichimoku cloud chart sell up here. These are all long-term sell signals from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So there's only really swing trade opportunities now, as the long-term picture still remains bearish. Now, if we look at the monthly, you can see the market did manage to find support at these old lows there. Now it still needs to regain this front end cloud chart support zone there. So you can see that front cloud support level also came into play. 12,688 came into play, but still very extended from the top end of the cloud, yeah. So there is still some downside risk to this standard line of the cloud here, as well as the front end cloud 11,329. So these are the downside risk targets in the current correction. Also, the quarterly chart gives you really highlights the big picture risk. Market's very extended. So this conspicuous consumption bubble is still well underway, and it's slowly starting to deflate, but there's some significant downside risk in this market if looking at the really big picture. Turning to the daily, we can see this cluster of rebound, cluster of support here, and this rebound there. Now watch out for bottom and cloud chart resistance zones on the daily. 13,792, 14,132. So these are the upside resistance targets for the current rally, and then also 14,491. This is this top end cloud chart resistance zone. So we are having a relief rally within a bearish outlook on the daily. Weekly bearish, daily bearish. Now if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, you can see also where that rebound came into play, and then the targets to watch out for on the 4 hours, the bottom end of the cloud here. So this 14,132, that resistance zone there, as well as this zone there, together with 13,991. So these are the upside targets. Now, interestingly, we're now just fighting with the standard line of the cloud here. So it will be interesting to see if that resistance is going to hold, or is it going to break through that. Maybe we get a 50% retracement or a Fibonacci retracement of this particular move back down to that level there, and then a continued rebound from this zone here, this front cloud 13,313. Will be interesting to see if we get a technical retracement of this big move, and then a rebound from 13,313, and then a continuation back up to the bottom end of the cloud. But so far, 4 hours, all time frames are still bearish, daily, weekly, and 4 hour. Now let's take a look at the hourly one. You can see their key levels to watch out for on the hourly one is this top end cloud chart resistance zone there. So that's the first swing trade target, 13,607. And we can also see we had a nice little swing trade from this rebound here back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to break through that level. If we break through that level, that will change the outlook from bearish to bullish on the daily, on the hourly. So the hourly is close to turning bullish. The 4 hour is still bearish with the resistance targets at the bottom end of the cloud. And then the daily as well, we've got these bottom end cloud chart resistance zones to look forward to as the upside risk targets. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.